Oh. Signal working. Okay. Oh. Cuak. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Just Here. So hari ni aku akan install this Mugen hydrophilic LED mirror. I guess that's what it said here, okay? And this is my first time doing this. This is a tutorial for beginner, okay? So only for beginner. Those who tak pernah buat, you guys can, I guess, like macam follow my steps. And right here we have all the tools that's needed that I think you might need. Maybe it's right, maybe it's wrong, okay? But I still have a couple more right here. And I'm gonna go with you guys along the way and tengoklah apa yang kita betul-betul perlukan. But I think I need this, and I need this. Okay, these three main tools. This is what I think we need. Okay, let's start with turning on the car first. Alright, and then we're gonna angle the mirror going up. Okay, guys, you gotta use this pry tool, and it's supposed to be prying this thing up this way. Look, we made it. Good job. One is done, so you gotta remove the mirror first. Then the second part, there's a screw here. 1, 2, and I believe there's one more at the bottom. Lepas tu, you have to remove this cover here. So this cover, dia attached dengan clips tau. So I believe there is 3 clips that attach to the mirror so that you slide this thing forward. I sound like an expert, right? Macam like, yeah, because I watched it in YouTube. So you're supposed to slide this forward. So then that's where you get the connector. Okay, and then you can install. And by the way guys, this mirror kalau korang notice kan, dia tak ada the heater tau. So kalau dia ada heater, there is a connector over here to hook up to the heater, tapi mine does not come with a heater, so dia tak payah benda tu, so you save your time on that. And let's try to remove this cover, see if I can remove it. Okay, this is the tricky part. And by the way, I bought this new cover for the mirror over here. And why? It's because if you see this is fake, FAKE. This is cap chai. So there are 3 clips, 1, 2, 3 that hook to the base punya cover. And dekat tepi ni, on the side, this side here, dia ada macam like a slider punya, what do you call this? Whatever you want to call this lah. So you know, like this thing is supposed to like macam hold the thing in place. So when you release this 3 clip, you're supposed to slide it forward. Look at the blue tin, the Mugen punya branding. So you can see here that the original one dia kecil sikit, dia nipis sikit, and then the Mugen one is slightly thicker. Then you can also see the punya surface. This is a blue tin, while this is just like a normal one. And the benefit of having the blue tin is basically to reduce the glaring, so it's better at night actually. The other advantage of using this is that dia ada signal indicator right on the mirror. So later I'm going to show you once I already hook all this up. That's why you have these 2 cable over here. It's for, one is actually for the heater, but this is for the heater, which we're not going to use. But this is for the signal. Let's go and install this, and hopefully we can do it safe and sound without breaking any clips. That's the most important thing, without breaking any clips, okay? So this mirror have to go, look at that. Dia rasa macam kau nak break somebody neck, but it's not that. After like 1 hour trying to pry this thing up, it took me a while to actually macam try to pry and then like macam slide it forward. So now let's continue. Again guys, just gonna remind you just to make sure that the cable, the white, the black, you pick the right one. Okay, so clip. That's done. Then we just slide this back, and then after that the second one over here. Alright, and then like slide this forward. Okay, alright, that's it. Then the next thing to do is to just put it back in place. Slide this one in, boom. Alright, so look at the mirror. Signal first. Okay, signal is working. perfect. Then after that, we do with the mirror adjustment. Okay, so now see, the mirror can be adjusted. Perfect. So everything is working. Side, left, bottom. Okay, now we try to close the mirror. Boom. There you go. Woo! Okay guys, so we ran into a couple of issues.
How to do this?
It took me a bit too long to just figure it out how to remove the back mirror cover. And here are just the clip of me struggling how to figure it out. Let's just skip to the second mirror where I look more like a pro. Guys, part 2 of the installation.
With your expert.
Cha. So repeat the same process. Clip 1, clip 2, and then clip 3, which is inside here. So now we are removing the first 2 screw, which is the bottom and the one at the top. I pry this forward. Okay, and then after that one more, which is on the inside. Okay, this is a tricky part. Like I said again, you know, like macam this part at the bottom here, you need to press down in order for you to slide. So we see if I'm lucky enough to be able to do this within like 5 minutes or so. It's just a matter of this thing just slide forward. Oh. Didn't scratch my pins, right? No, I didn't scratch my pin. Part 2 of the hell of removing this thing, okay? So again, 3 clips. The stubborn one is always at the bottom one. And yep, we didn't break anything. Good job, Jas. Good job. Back to my mini bengkel over here. Okay, kita buka aja all this, pry this thing up. I think after this kan, korang boleh hantar kat bengkel aku. So I'm gonna call it like Just Car Life Garage. You guys can send, give me a call, DM me. So I do all sort of mirror modification. Trust the expert. Mirror modification. No, seriously, that's my dream, guys. I'm gonna open my own garage, you know. Then you guys can send your car to me. Okay, so guys, look, this one dah buka. Okay, again the next step, just clean this so that the grease all are clear. Sebab apa tau? This part over here, nampak tak? This thing, bawah ni sebenarnya dia ada macam the glue tau. So, see? That's the glue. So if this thing is greasy, then kau just ambil transfer, then dia takkan lekat betul-betul, dia takkan lekat properly. So make sure you clean all the grease. Then place it back and make sure the clips are properly clipped in. Okay, properly clip in. That's it. Do the testing first to make sure that the wire semua betul-betul properly working. Cause otherwise kau dah pasang semua, sekali tengok benda tu tak jalan. Okay, we almost there. Okay,
Trust the expert.
okay, male, female clip, and then after that this bottom clip. Okay, let's see if I can clip this in. Alright, clip in. Then there is like this small hole, so you get this out of the way. Boom. Okay, I'm just gonna like macam slide sikit je, sebab this is only to do the testing. Okay, just as long as dia ada contact, I think this should be okay. Right, now I'm gonna go inside, turn on the car, test the signal. Signal working. Okay. Oh. Cuak. Oh, by the way guys, if you notice kan, tadi kan, the bottom screw tu aku tak cabut pun. So sebenarnya tak payah pun. Kau boleh just cabut these 2 screw. It's actually already enough to just loosen up the top cover a little bit. So the bottom screw tu kau boleh just keep it there. Okay, so slowly So this is very important. Okay, so this is white, then we go with white, then the black we go with black. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you guys found this information helpful untuk korang yang mana nak install the mirror kan. But one thing for sure kan, benda ni, this this Mugen punya mirror, dia applies to all those like previous Type R punya generation tau. I think they have almost the similar functions. So the installation should be almost similar, or if it's not exactly the same, but it should be almost similar. Before that, the price of this, okay. So the price for this when I bought it, I think is around 1,200 ke 1,300, something like that. But this thing with the the Mugen punya mirror untuk FK8 dia dah discontinued tau. And sekarang ni seller is selling between 2,000 to 2,500 depending on the seller. So yeah, so the price of this is definitely not cheap now sebab barang dah discontinued. But if you able to grab one unit of this, guys, go and grab it straight away, okay? So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the video till our next upgrade series. Till then, guys, please make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, go to my TikTok, Facebook, and also Instagram, okay? So go to all the channels, like, subscribe, comments. I see you guys on my next video. Till then, guys, ciao, peace out.